In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Zoho Sheet, specifically focusing on using the web or desktop version through your browser. Merging cells can be incredibly useful for organizing data and making your spreadsheet look neat and professional. Whether you need to consolidate titles, headers, or any other type of information, merging helps streamline your work. Let me guide you through this straightforward process. First, you'll want to start by selecting the cells you need to merge. For instance, if you're looking to combine cells A1 through C1, simply click and drag your cursor over these cells. You'll notice that the selected cells become highlighted, indicating they're ready to merge. It's important to take a moment here to double-check that you've selected all the cells you wish to combine, as merging will affect each one. With your cells selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. There, you'll find the Merge Cells icon, typically represented by two overlapping rectangles or squares. Clicking this icon will initiate the cell merge process. This is where Zoho Sheet makes it really convenient to perform this function. If your merging needs are more specific, Zoho Sheet offers additional options to customize your merge. By clicking the drop-down arrow next to the Merge Cells icon, you can choose options such as merging cells horizontally or vertically. This flexibility is handy if, for example, you're working with a large dataset and only part of it needs to be combined in a particular direction. By opting for the drop-down, you ensure that your data remains organized exactly the way it suits your needs. A key point to remember, however, is that when you merge cells, any existing content within those cells, except for the top left one, will be discarded. This means that if each cell in your selection had its own unique data, upon merging, only the content and formatting from the top left cell will remain. Therefore, if you have essential data in the cells you're trying to merge, consider copying it somewhere safe before proceeding, ensuring nothing crucial is lost. Taking these tips into account will help you efficiently and effectively merge cells within your Zoho Sheet, enhancing both the aesthetic and functionality of your spreadsheet. Don't forget to save your spreadsheet frequently to avoid losing any progress. Remember, mastering tools like cell merging can significantly enhance your productivity and create a more organized workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy merging!